Good morning, good morning. All right, guys, listen. So I always tell you guys to find some type of remote work that you can earn income while you travel. All right, and this is going to be in my opinion, the best method that you're going to do to earn income. Though you can find a, though you can find a remote job, right? But with the remote job comes challenges like, are you allowed to leave right away? Or do you have to stay there and work for this company for a year or two or more before actually be able to travel? Right? Or are you prohibited from working, or do you have in a specific location like overseas, or do you have to purchase a VPN? All right, so those are important questions. And with trading, you can live anywhere. It's now 12:54 p.m. And what I'm about to show you happened at 9 a.m., which will be 8 a.m. your time or 7 a.m. your time. All right, how I made $500 today. All right, and for you guys that want to see, it's a live account, right? It's a real account. So look, you can see right here the profit I made today, while most people were still in the bed or getting ready to go to work. All right, I made $552. What does that mean in Brazil? $552. First of all, 400, 300 to 400 is the monthly income for a household in Brazil, and that's a monthly income, right? So I pretty much made their monthly income in about 20, 30 minutes, an hour max, right? $552 is like 2,500 for them. That's a lot of money, bro. And that was in a day. And we do this every single day, all right? You can see my trades here, US 30 NAS 100, all right? And let's customize this and go back the last couple days. All right, let's go back last couple days, $851. All right, let's go back a little further. All right, 851, and we got, let's see, 968. So almost within a week, almost made 1K, right? And you can live overseas comfortably doing this type of numbers. All right, so every single trade that I call, everybody in my group gets in it, right? So if I'm making profit, you can rest assured I've already sent you guys screenshots and proof on my community tab of guys making money as well. So they're in the same trades as me. All right, so let's go over here. Let's go over here to my signals chat, right? And you can see right here, I'm dropping links for the live trading calls on the New York session early in the morning, and there's not a lot of guys on it, but because they're either at work, but they take the signals, all right? So buy NAS 100, buy US 30, telling you when to get in, when to get out, all right? And trades is going crazy, all right? So if you guys want to be a part of this, you want to make extra income, the link will be in the description. As a one-time fee, $100, all right? Leave the excuses at the door, all right? No excuses. You want to make money, here's a way to make money. All right, even if you're brand new, we got brand new people in here that don't know shit about trading, but making money while they learn. I'm teaching you guys strategies, how to be independent, successful traders, giving you guys signals, doing one-on-one calls, live group calls, live trading calls, all the type of shit. And guys, it's when they're making money because they have a good teacher and they have good strategies, all right? So it's a one-time fee of $100, or you can pay $50 a month for signals. There's only one person out of our 48 people that take $50 a month signals, all right? And he want to try it. He's already making money too, all right? That's if he's taking the signals. So guys, if you want to win and make money, join the link in the description. I'll link my waiting room. You will be in the waiting room until you make your payment. Once you make your payment, I'll move you over to the regular VIP group. All right, so you can do $100 one-time fee, lifetime fee, or you can do $50 a month, which makes sense to only do the one-time fee, because once you're in for a lifetime. You don't get removed. All right, so link will be in the description if you guys want to join that, and we'll see you guys in the next video.